Written by our queen, Lily Ukulani. For you, Kaviks. Love you, Kaviks. Kalani, represent, right? Yeah, that's right.
Okay, for the record, he went to Kalani. Okay? So anytime he says Punahou, you guys know for the record, it's Kalani.
Thank you for specifying that, Kai, okay?
Yeah, I mean, you know, you say you went Punahou, and I said, oh, if Punahou is right there, and then you say, oh, what's wrong with Kalani? Nothing's wrong with Kalani, but you keep telling everybody you're from Punahou.
Well, you know, I want to help. I just want to help that poor little school out. They need all the help they can get, you know.
I know. I help them out too.
I'm sure you do. So, with this song we end. We want to thank you all so very much. Merry Christmas to each and every one of you. God bless each and every one of you. How's about a big hand on vocals? My brother over here on the finger bass, Mr. Kahi Kakamohi Okula.
Hi guys. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. Oh yeah, I gotta introduce. Usually I don't introduce him no more, so I'm kind of not used to it. So anyway, on 12th Street and Slacky Guitar. How's about a nice hand? This is Bobby Modero Jr.
Thank you so very much. We'll see you guys all again soon. Here's a song from our queen from our second record. This is what it's all about, guys. God bless you all. Aloha.